One of my all-time favourite questions to ask a customer that I meet is, what do you do differently than your competitors, and how are you actually leveraging that right now? It's probably one of my favourite questions because generally we don't leverage our point of differences quite as well as we could be. How are we digitising that? What are we doing to actually sell that into the marketplace? Because our point of difference is really all we have to sell ourselves into the marketplace, and then how are we scaling that point of difference? If, for example, your point of difference, it came up with one conversation was, we all say yes to everything. Now that might be an interesting answer, but it led to the fact that this client actually creates custom solutions within their industry to deliver customer outcomes, which is quite rare in the space that they work in. So then how do they leverage that? How do they build technology in to support that mechanism was the next question I had, and that's probably an area where they were lacking, and that was where the opportunity lied. So now they can deliver custom solutions within their industry, but also consider what sort of technology can be at play and how they can actually further leverage that to ensure that it's not just done by people, but it's also done by technology as well. So definitely a good question. How am I different from my competitors, and how can I leverage that and differentiate that within the marketplace and really use technology to drive that home?